Hello, today we're going to walk you through how to add a new driver to OnDelight platform. First, let's add a driver to the system. Go to My Hub account and look at the left-hand menu and click on Drivers, Driver Management. Here, click the green Add Driver button. A pop-up window will appear asking for some basic info. All you need to enter your driver's phone number and select the driver plan that works best for your business model. And your driver is now in the system. You'll notice most of the fields are empty right now. That's totally normal. At the same time, the driver receives an SMS with a link to download the driver app. When the app is downloaded, the driver needs to add his phone number and verify it. Within just a few seconds, he'll receive a WhatsApp SMS with a verification code to confirm his phone number in the app. The driver will need to select your taxi company from the list. Then the driver must fill out his personal details. Upload a profile photo, enter a name, and driver's license number. Save to lock in those details. Next, the driver should add his car details, photo and model of a vehicle, year of production, number of passenger seats available, color, plate number, and board number. Now let's add some additional services. Driver can select extra options such as no smoking vehicle or child seat available. Passengers will see these options when they're booking their ride. Almost done. Now driver needs to upload photos of his driver's license, both front and back. After that, the driver will see a message on their screen saying that his request has been sent to the company for activation. At this point, the ball is back in your court. Now it's time for the final step, driver activation. Go back to your driver management section in My Hub and find your new driver. Find the three dots next to your driver's name in the dashboard. Here you'll see several useful options for managing your driver, but right now we need the Activate option. Then you'll need to select the appropriate service type for this driver. And if needed, you can also change their subscription plan. That's it! Your driver is now live on the platform and ready to start accepting ride requests from your customers. Your driver will immediately receive an SMS notification letting them know their account has been activated and they're ready to start working. Now let's head back to the driver application. You'll notice a notification welcoming you to the demo period. This means you can safely explore and test all features without any concerns. Once you're in the app, you can start getting familiar with the interface. Key step here is switching from offline to online. Simply drag the toggle switch. Once you're online, any test orders you create through the web booking panel or operator dashboard will instantly appear in your driver app. Now you're ready to see the system in action.